Hala, haran yun.
Wait. Your own beef, pero lagot. Pictures to earn a bad.
I'm sure nga si Nicole, bahala katon ka ra. Gabasa yung mga guidelines ako, natatamad na magbasa. Pero guys, ito yung sa idam nga ron, nakabuto yung collectibles collected 0 out of 11. Extra lives left. May 8 lives lang tayo. Ay, kung gusto niyo magbasa o matit guide menu, una sa, I don't know, on the left or right side sa taas, may guide menu iya. May object menu. Haratong object menu. Current object. Find the key to enter the main house. Description. You arrive at the village and your grandfather told you that he hid the key on the pillars. Hanapan nyo guys. You're here to set up an internet network and install CCTVs for your grandfather. Hint. The key is on a pillar. Find the right key to enter the house. The front door is from the most right of the house from the front. At may spring kitayat, may brick walk. Jink types found 0 out of 7. Jink banished 0. Picture taken 0 out of 32. So may laptop kita, may CCTV at may phone. Haratong flashlight. Whoa, what happened? What happened? Hara may spring kita, Nico, kita man di ba nimo?
Yes.
Alin da? Berita Kampong Serkat.
Berita.
Hindi ko naman mabasa na. Why haven't slept? 2021. There's a myth on the ghost that hunts those who are awake past 12 midnight. Myth or real? Find out yourself. If it was me, I wouldn't sleep late. Hala, kita ron guys. Gabinugtaw kita. It midnight. Mostly si Nicole Gid. Gabuwaw.
No, picture.
May mga myth nga ginaata ko na ko kung buwaw ka. Can't go this way yet. Guys, hanap ko na kita key. Una ko na sa mga pillars. I think this is the door.
Ano pa ang isa? Buksan ka ba the door?
May key ka?
Yes, may ako.
Yes. Enable at tapos
Hindi, wag ano.
Oh! Narinig akong scream. Nadlock lang guys. Guys, first game pa lang natin daw pakit nakalapit key.
Ano OBJ? Minu nga ra.
Object menu ron atong objective.
Okay. Ano the brisk wall?
Oh my, ha? Brisk
wall.
Imong pagtikang. Sin yung key, guys. Where's the key?
Lamang key na iba na.
Find the key to enter the main house. That he hid the key on the pillars. Where is it? The key is on a pillar. Where is the pillar? The key. What? Oh. Haron. Dito.
Yeah.
Dito.
Talaguan susi sa pinaka ibabaw tuktok.
Abaw paano kung short people takitan dito ano ron? Anyong grandpa ray.
Akon.
Oh my god, ginavisit na to ni kong grandpa.
Kabilat mo.
Whoa! Oh my god, run! Ay, guys! Open the door! Open the door! Lock the door! I'm scared. Guys, please open the lights. I'm scared.
No, tong ino.
Oh, accurate to guys pang Philippines ta. May tabo. May mga tawag ka ra?
Isa nang tanaw ka mo sa ibabaw kasi sa kunamat sa ibabaw do ano.
Okay, alin tusod ka ra? May pagkaon guys.
Bakit di ko
empty. Buksa guys yung ilaw guys. Nadlock tang. Dito. I'm scared. Where's the light?
Tanginang.
Oh, there's a light. There you go guys. Chill lang kita. Place your portable broadband and mesh router. Oh, what? Place the laptop. What's this? Oh. Mesh router is removable from your inventory. Switch laptop. Configured network setting. Enable. Confirm. Set up the CCTV at the outdoor garage. May CCTV kita guys. Stick together guys.
Ano di mo mabuksan?
I think it's openable. Not openable. Kung madam guys ipindot lang yun yung phone. Yan yung source of light natin. Saan yung garage? Oh, iya kami. Yeah. Hanapan ko na natin the garage. Sabi sa object menu. After setting up the internet earlier, you're to set up the internet at the outdoor garage. Attach the CCTV near one of the pillar at the outdoor garage. Where? Which one? Oh.
Ano ginano ni? Yes.
Hala, wow, tao CCTV. Wait, saan yung gimbot ang?
Ano ginano?
Pwede na ba tayo guys bumalik? Balik na tayo guys. Scared. Bakit yung heart ko gadugdug ta for some reason? Guys, I'm scared. Palak the door. Si Nicole? Nicole?
Di pa ako. Ayun, itilak the door.
Hurry. Okay, what's next? Agto rin sa laptop, I think. Check mo a bit. Wait. Oh, huh? Nandito sa akin yung laptop. What happened? Set up the blah blah. Attach the scene with the altar. Yeah, attach nyo guys. Nicole? Nicole, where are you, Nicole? I am scared. Nicole,
Huh?
I'm scared. Go ani kita guys. I think i-set up pati do laptop. Sa gawa. I think kina-set up pati do laptop. Feeling noob tang guys ah. Oh, haran. Okay. Okay, set up mo.
CCTV near the ano ko no.
Okay. Test. Okay, test mo. Oh, God. Tatago ako. Nicole, be careful. Ano masunod?
Yun pa rin. Tapos the CCTV view from the house. Hato ba? Tapos the CCTV view from the house ko no.
Okay.
Sa house.
Okay, balik tayo sa house. Chill lang. Hindi naman tayo mag-heart attack. Okay, nandito na kami.
Ano ito na mausuyit ako guys.
Saan ka?
Kita niya ka.
No, I don't see. Ay. Ano sunod? Sabi dito ay place your laptop on the top of the table near the TV. Sino laptop?
House. Wow, pumabalik-balik kita.
Buwan ito laptop. Ay, laptop. Guys, wag niyo akong iwanan na adlock tang. Oh God, Lord save us.
Laptop on top of the table near the TV.
Mag-ingat, Jess. Okay, ready to sprint. Where is the sprint button? I'm scared.
Adi mo man ito nagpapuro sprint nga ra?
I think one press lang yan. Jess, nakita mo, Jess, ay hindi ko nga name. Ano nakabot ang key mo?
Ano
Ano?
lang mo CCTV?
What's happening? I'm scared. I'm scared.
Do your players.
Guys, check your object menu. Do your prayers. Paranormal activities happened when you were testing the CCTV. It's best you do your prayers. Go to the bathroom near the kitchen and take water ablution using the water pipe, and then take the prayer mat at the room besides the living room and pray. Wah? Auto kung sa bathroom? It's in the bathroom. Oh, stick together, guys. I'm scared. Oh my god! Oh my god, Lord, save us!
Mawin na imaw.
Where? Recite! Recite the holy!
Hindi mo makakupang. Nagdatangay maw.
Wow, guys. Okay, recite, okay. I think we need something, guys. At sa room,
Take mat. Kasi na tong mat o magilat mat.
ito sa bedroom, I think may kulay green niya, mat.
Yung bedroom. Pinakita yung mukha ko. Nakamot ah.
Dito, I think, may mat. Haron. Okay. Then, you pick a holy prayer mat, and where you should go?
Prayers na. Isingin ka mo. Ito ko. Bastos.
Okay, next? Go to the bathroom near the kitchen and take water ablution using the water pipe. And then take the prayer mat.
Pero ano yun?
Okay. Okay, we pray. Ano na itong i-pray, guys?
Ano, investigate or go back home? After doing your prayers, we are deciding whether you want to investigate what's happening or go back home. You're given two options.
Kung go back home ay tapos siya dra. Tapos siya tatong Pero kung i-continue natin I don't know. Matapos na the story. Tapos na itong guest story. Pero kung mag-go back home ka, may batch ka galing. At kung di ka man worth it ba nga mag-go back home?
Wow.
Eh, di, continue natin dun. Oh my god! There's a monster! Nicole! Oh god! Oh my god, there's a monster over there! There's a monster everywhere! Guys, we must leave, guys. We must leave at once. Anin? Oh my god, guys, dito tayo, dito.
Yeah, sige.
Dito. Good. I'm scared. Ah! Lord, run!
Sumod after this.
I'm scared. Wala 7 life lat ako. Oh my god, what happened? Oh god, guys, you left me. Guys, you left me! Guys, I'm scared.
Thank you, John.
Oh no, they're monsters. Save me! I'm running. I don't care. I'm leaving. Goodbye, guys. You cannot see anything. Okay, jalan alewa ba? Someone's following with us. Alam, may unknown key. Where are we? Wait lang. Marisa na kita, guys. I'm okay. So, may front gate tayo. Tapos may unknown key. Jess, you're gone. Jess? Uh-oh. What happened?
Mo, ayoko na ano.
I'm stuck. I cannot see anything. What the? Guys?
Saan ka mo?
I don't know, I'm scared.
Saan ka mo?
Jess, why did you leave us?
Saan ka mo?
Sing ka, Nicole?
Nagtawag ng ano ko pal.
Patay ka?
Gago ginasunundan na ako by one.
Iya ko, Nicole.
Naka.
No! 6 lives na naman ako, guys. Delete. Since yan, no? Can't see anything. Parang may nakita ko, guys, ng cave. Nicole, I'm coming. I don't know where Jess went.
Guys, nag-adlo ako sa kotse, guys. Sorry.
No!
Kayo.
No! Nicole, I'm coming with you too.
Patutnya aku sasabihin tentang apa yang sudah berlaku di kampung atau aku.
I didn't do ending. Scaredy ending. You are scared, scaredy cat. You shouldn't only gotten back home when you have finished what you wanted to. Oops, Jess. Agto Jess sa kotse, Jess.
Sorry, guys.
Nadlock man ako.